Hey guys, Manthan here. You know how sometimes you just need a quick fix for your product photo or social post, but don't want to dive into heavy pro level tools. Editing videos can feel overwhelming sometimes. Too many tools, too much time, and not everyone wants to learn complex editing software just to make a quick video. That's where Adobe Express comes in. It's an online tool designed for creators like us who want to make videos fast, with minimal effort but still looking polished. Here's the cool part. You can start with ready-made video templates, just swap in your clips, text and brand elements, and boom, you got yourself a clean video. And if you're feeling more creative, Adobe Express also gives you an option to edit from scratch. You can trim clips, add text animations, transitions, music, and really customize your video the way you want. It's flexible enough to let you build your own style, but simple enough that you won't get lost in the maze of tools. So whether you need something quick with templates or you want to experiment and create your own flow, Adobe Express has you covered. It makes video creation fun, fast and stress-free for solo creators. Try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.